You know what, guys? You should learn how to socialize other people. Because like me, I learned how to socialize. But I say to you, if Miggy Labitag must learn how to socialize, he will be like Jens Manaid. Jens and I, we learn how to socialize. When I was there in CDIFI, when is the time? I was a time in class with Teacher May. Because Jens and I, we learn how to to socialize. You know, the time when I was in my old school in CDIFI, I learned how to socialize. You know, Jens and I, we're best friends each other. After Ralph Guevara, who left in CDIFI, but me and Stepan, we were still there. But Jens is learning how to open his mouth. I say to Jens, open your mouth. You learn how to socialize. I say, if you read something, you read while Teacher May was answering, or we were checking the other in language or Filipino or in current events. Oh, when I say to Jens Manaid, oh, you open your mouth. May I learn how to open the mouth? I said he has to learn to socialize. But let's move on about Paulo Cruzada. I know Paulo Cruzada is my enemy. I move on from him. But but Jens Manaid, he learns how to socialize. Why does he learn how to socialize? He learns how to socialize. Oh, people there, when they're grown up, they should learn how to socialize. Me, the time I met Luis Cabales in 2016, I know there's Teacher Josa Sacapano and Teacher JD who were practicumer in CTFI, but Teacher Gio and Teacher Arnel, they were in practicumers with Teacher Mirna and Teacher Chris. Us, we're from Teacher May and Teacher Marisa, and now we see Teacher Josa Sacapano and Teacher JD. When I talked to Luis Cabales, Butch, I met Teacher Josa Sacapano. I introduced her name. I said, we've been socialize each other. Me and Luis Cabales, we always socialize. Oh, we say we socialize, we learn how to socialize. That's all. I talked to Luis Cabales. This is Teacher Joseph Sacapano from UE Manila, classmate of Teacher Marbil, and classmates of Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Teacher Junilin Bactad, including Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Arnel, even Teacher Jax, even Teacher Becca, but they are the batch, even Teacher Junin Bactad. Even, I remember Teacher Arnel, you know, I met Luis Cabales. I know there was Teacher Junin Bactad in other practicum, in another sections. When I met Luis Cabales, this is Teacher Josa Sacapano. She is a good friend. While Luis Cabales, I met him, but the time when we know Luis Cabales, and he said about Jens Manaid in Tagalog, he said that kaklase ko yan si Jens Manaid sa grade school, you know that. Sa grade 1 pala, grade 1, he doesn't know what is really happened. That was for our group. I say to Luis Cabales, CDIFI has no grade. CDIFI has 2 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, and 5 hour. We have any kind of sections, or 5A or 5B, or 5B or 5C are pre-book. That was the batch of Ian Martinez and the batch of Bill Galang. But I learned how to socialize with Luis Cabales. Oh, that's what I say. I learned how to socialize. I learned how to socialize with with anyone. Oh, Even some of Miss Earth 2025 candidates. I met Miss Thailand, I met Miss Indonesia, Putri Jupika, even Namui, that Miss Thailand. I met them in TikTok Live. I introduced my name. That's why I learned how to socialize. That is for Miggy Labitag. If you're young anyway, if you should not be a bad influence, you have to be learn how to socialize. Because if Ate Michelle was there, even Kuya Mike was there, you have to learn how to socialize. Everyone, people can learn how to socialize. When I was in CDIFI, there is a socialization party of Rafa Soko. 2015, I was 18 years old. How old was Miggy Labitag? He was 7 years old. He and Matthew. While me, I'm 18. Jens is 23. Right there is Jens. Jens is 22 years old. Jens Manaid, 2015. He was 22. Um, Rafa in 2018, he was 2015. Rafa is 17 years old. While Stefan is 15. Joshua is 16 years old. While Bill Galang is 15 years old yet, but he was not in the morning class. But during the socialization party of Rapasoko, in CDIFI, I learned how to socialize with Rafa. I learned how to socialize with Eris Clemente, Joshua Arroyo, even Diana Esguerra or Kathleen Canete, Alexis Porcala. I learned how to socialize. Why we create socialization party? It's CDIFI during the class of Teacher May and Teacher Marisa. Socialization party. We have that in SPED in CDIFI. We have socialization party. We have pajama party. We have Halloween. We always do socialization. The time I was there in my old school in CDIFI, I talk with who I get socialization with Alexis Porcala, Kathleen Canete, and Jens Manaid. We always do socialization. I talk with I talk with Buddy Castro, or I talk with John Mendoza in 2016. In Christmas party, we have socialization. In Christmas party of Teacher May and Teacher Marisa. And there's Teacher Bea and Teacher Chin Busmante. That was a friend of Roylan Marlang, who's a cat lover. And even Teacher Lara, Teacher Chin Busmante, and Teacher Pat, the favorite of Ian Martinez. We have socialization party. Another group anyway of Lawrence Villawan, another socialization party is Teacher Isabel and Teacher Kel. Another one is another socialization party is Teacher Bea and Teacher Lara and Teacher Chin Busmante and Teacher Pat. We always do socialization party. I talk with Teacher Chin Busmante, the friend of Roylan Marlang, in personal. Well, I say to Teacher Chin Busmante, you know what is that in Christmas party? I say to her, how old are you, Teacher Chin Busmante? She said to me, I was 19. Me, I'm 19 years old too. We're same age, 1997. We were born in 1997. We are having fun to socialize. That's why I said before, socialization is always to be talked to other friends, even other people. That's what I lesson to Miggy Labitag. When I was there, CDIFI, socialization party, we have that from Rafa Soco, Christmas party. During me and Jens Manaid, even John Mendoza and Bill Galang, including Kenji Mantaring and Diana and Kathleen and Apple, even Buddy Castro. We always do a socialization party. Oh, we always socialize. That time, in 2011, I saw Wawel Romero after we went there in closing program. After the closing program of CDIFI, after Teacher Lendl was left, I met Wawel Romero. Wawel Romero, I say hi to her. I learn how to socialize. That's what I say to Miggy Labitag. Whenever you like to socialize, socialize. You know, you learn how to socialize with Matthew Timbal. Socialize. Oh, that's always do. When I was there in dentist, I talk with Matty. I learned how to socialize with Matty. Oh, before I cleaned my teeth in Doctor's Incha in dentist last year, I learned how to socialize with Matty. Matty and I, we're English speaking, same as Matthew Timbal. We always do an American accent, but we are Filipinos. We are Filipinos. We do a Western accent. You know, me and Matty, we always talk each other. We always socialize. But I was in IKEA when my mom talked to was that Tita Lala, that mother of Louie. Louie and I, we never socialize. But actually we never talk each other. After we went there in dentist with Dr. Sitcha, after I met Matty, I talked to Tita Lala when I was there. We was just buying some macaroni in our, what's that? It's our for dessert for after dinner. I talked with Tita Lala when my mom was there. I said I just went there in dentist and Tita Lala said, that's good you went there in dentist. I just have cleaning my teeth before I go to Japan. Oh, that's what I learned how to socialize. I learned how to socialize in TikTok Live. I met Atty. Raul Lambino, the cabinet member of Rodrigo Duterte, because I know him, Raul Lambino. Attorney Raul Lambino was my good friend. My good friend who is a lawyer. He's a cabinet member of Rodrigo Duterte. I learned how to socialize him. Attorney Raul Lambino. When I met my American friend, Midnight 123, who was a Trump supporter and who helps the Duterte supporter, I met Midnight 123, the American guy. He is a Trump supporter. I met him. I learned how to socialize. That's what I say to Miggy Labitag. Whenever you learn how to socialize, socialize to anybody. It's nothing to be embarrassed. It's showing the way to your talking is to make you happy. That's what Kim Atienza said to his daughter Emma Atienza. Make a socialization can make you happy to your friends. That's what Emma Atienza said. That was Kim Atienza's daughter told to Emma to learn how to socialize. It's nothing bad to socialize. I asked Miggy Labitag in 2028, will you vote for President of the Philippines? You voted Sara Duterte or Martin Romualdez? If Miggy Labitag either to choose, you vote it because we're in the Philippines. We're not talking about United States politics. Barack Obama, I remember, He will run for president again in 2028, but it's not yet sure. It's depends on the US election. But we're talking about the Philippine politics. We're in here in the Philippines. We're talking about who will choose the race, Martin Romualdez or Sara Duterte. We always talk about political election. Oh, we always say we vote. Oh, me, I'm a voter register. I'm a Filipino. Just like what I was told by Eskel Penumbra. Oh, butante ka na. Oh, that's what I said. Oh, I learned how to say, I am a voter register. That's why I said, butante na ako. That's what I heard it. I learned how to be a voter register. But everyone can learn how to socialize. Because, my old school, CDIFI, why we create socialization? Because it's to socialize to anybody. It's nothing bad. I know me, as I'm autism, I learn how to socialize to anyone. Me, I met my Japanese friends in TikTok Live. I met my Russian friends, Palestinian friends, even Colombian friends, even other friends, even my friends from Lebanon, Iraq, even Syria, even my friends from Iran, my friends from anywhere who were Americans. I met them. Even Midnight 123, I met him in TikTok Live. I learned how to socialize. When I met the Miss Earth 2025 candidates, I learned how to socialize. I met Miss Thailand, I met Miss Indonesia. I say hi to them. I say, my name is Andrew Balingit, nice to meet you. That's what I learned how to socialize. It's nothing but to socialize. Me, I met my Duterte bloggers. I was invited by Duterte bloggers in TikTok Live. We talk about corruption in the Philippines. When I talk to my Duterte supporters who were bloggers or Duterte bloggers, I learned how to socialize. That's the reason how to socialize. Look at Kuya Dan Mardayaw. He socialized with the BBM bloggers who are supporters of Bongbong Marcos. He learned how to socialize. When he was learning how to socialize, he learned how to socialize. Me, I socialize myself with the Duterte supporters who were in TikTok Live. I learned how to socialize. That's why I said the Duterte supporters are not foreigners, they are Filipinos. I learned how to socialize. That's what the word socialization is, to make people happy. Like me, I want to learn to be happy. To be a socialization, to be the happiness. That's what I heard. Like I said in the Bible, I heard that from Christian Mingito and Mark Domingo Cruz. Socialization is everyone can be happy to be as friends. Just like Jesus. Jesus learned how to socialize to anybody. When he was there, when he was still alive before his death, he learns how to socialize. Because, the socialization is showing the passion of love. That's what the lesson from Pope Francis, how to socialize your friends to either in social media, like Facebook and Messenger. Even in Instagram or in TikTok or TikTok Live, it has to be socialized. That's why I said before, I learned how to socialize. At the time, I learned how to socialize when 2016, when I met Teacher Marville in Landers. I learned how to socialize at her. During my birthday in 2015, when Teacher Marvel was there, I learned how to socialize. Oh, that's what people, it is hard to say, socialization. Because CDIFI, we have socialization. We always socialize. Because I like Kuya Mike Labitag said, so I always to be a good person. I learn how to socialize. Just like I said. Just like Kuya MA. Kuya MA is a tour guide in Japan. When I was there in Nagoya, I learned how to socialize with Kuya MA. What I do to Kuya MA, I talk to him about what those cars are in Japan. And he said to me, I will go to thrift store to buy, for PS4 games for request from my good friend JD Biniegas that I will pick Ghost of Tsushima in PS4 game. I asked Kuya MA. And I said, I got a PS4 game, the Ghost of Tsushima. I bought it from Nagoya, Japan, thanks to Kuya MA. And I bought Ghost of Tsushima, the PS4 game. I finished it, the Ghost of Tsushima in the PS4 game. I finished it, all the levels I finished. Especially all the games I finished it. I finished it. Oh, thanks to Kuya MA for a wonderful tour in Japan. Because me and Kuya MA, we always socialize. When I was there in Japan, I see all the cars there. Oh, what's this? 86 or Toyota? Oh, and then you said that it's a Toyota 86. That's a very nice car. And Kuya MA says, that's a very nice car. And then I say to him, it's very cool. Because I know I'm a car enthusiast. And I say, I learn how to socialize. Oh, when my dad said it, oh, look at this. Oh, there's another car in Baguio City, vintage, is American car. What's that? Chevrolet. Yeah, that's a very nice car. My dad says to me, it's a very nice car. Oh, I learn how to socialize. Oh, that's why I say to Miggy Labitag, if you're watching this, as I'm your uncle, you're my nephew. I will never say you're my fake nephew. I'm never supposed to say that. You are still my nephew. We are all family. That's what I said. We're all family. I will never leave you behind. And I said, for me, I will support you. I will support your studies. Just like what I remember from Jerick Silva. Oh, Jerick Silva supports Evoj to study in college. Just like what he said. Unlike you, Miggy Labitag, if you want to study in Lasal, I will support you. Your dad, Kuya Mike, supported you. He works very hard to study you in Lasal. Because I know you're going to college, I say to you, Miggy. It's only for your support. If you watch this in MMK about the teacher who was berated by his father, that was in MMK, who's a farmer. And I remember that a person who's going to college, he wants that entrance fee. That's always to do. I say to Miggy Labitag, you study hard. Just like Tony Labitag, she studied in Ateneo. When she studied in college, after she graduated in Ateneo, she will join a beauty pageant in the Miss Philippines Earth 2026. She will represent the Philippines if she makes her proud. And I say to 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 Miggy Labitag, give us support. Support your family. Like I said, it's always your family is always to love you as more. That's what I said. Love. It's not hate. It's always support you to study in college. Because, when I was there, I was not studying in college. When I stopped studying, I never say I stopped studying at CDIFI. I've been long time I studied in CDIFI. Since years of Ralph Guevara, since years of Jens Manaid. That's what I say to Miggy Labitag. Study hard if you want to go to college. Don't be upset, be happy. It's nothing to be enough. Me, I'm not bad influence anymore. Unlike you, me, I was become I was bad influence, or I make enemies. So my former friend Luis Cabales, I never make enemies, but I say to Miggy Labitag, it's only to support your family. Because Ate Michelle and Kuya Mike was still there. Because you should study. Oh, me, I supported Shania Kiana to find her job because she cannot go to school in ILCC. And I say to her, uh, you can find a job whatever you like. That's okay if you want to job. And she wants to work in hotel. Yeah, I supported her. Oh, it's nothing bad. Like you, Miggy Labitag, I will supported you. I'm right here. I'm your uncle. If I'm your uncle, I'm still behind into my back. Oh, the time when I was with Ayub Tantush and Abdul, when I met my Libyan friends in condo in Stellar Place, in personal, Ayub Tantush told me about my nephew Miggy. Is that your brother? I said, no, he's my cousin, he's my nephew. Oh, I always say that. He's my nephew. Oh, I always support you, Miggy Labitag. Just study hard if you go to LaSalle. If you want IT, if you want computer, just like JD Biniegas, if you follow the footsteps of JD Biniegas, and also Joshua Arroyo, I will support you, Miggy. I will support you if you enroll in LaSalle, St. Benilde. Because if you enroll there in LaSalle, St. Benilde, I say to you, Miggy Labitag, that is alumni of Carlos Canashi and Roylan Marlang. I'll make sure if you study hard, you study hard.